In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify domain ownership in GoDaddy. If you need to confirm that you own a domain, GoDaddy makes the process fairly simple. And in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through it clearly so you know exactly where to click and what to expect on the screen. This is useful when a platform or service asks you to verify that a domain belongs to you before you can connect it, manage settings, or complete setup. To begin, open your GoDaddy account and sign in. Make sure you're logging into the correct account that actually manages the domain you want to verify. If you have access to multiple accounts, it's worth taking a second to confirm you're in the right place before moving on, since the domain will only appear under the account where it was purchased or transferred. Once you're inside your account, go to your profile area. This is typically where you can access account-related options and navigate to the products and services attached to your account. From there, click on My Products. This section shows everything you currently have with GoDaddy, including domains, hosting, and other services if they're active on your account. In the My Products section, find and click Domain. This will open the domain management area where you can view the domain or domains associated with your account. If you manage more than one domain, take your time and make sure you select the correct one, especially if the names are similar. After opening the domain you want to work with, click DNS. This is the section where your domain's records and technical settings are managed. DNS settings control how your domain connects to websites, email services, and verification tools. So this is an important area to access carefully. Once you're in the DNS section, look under DNS Records. In that area, find the option that says Verify Domain Ownership and click it. This tells GoDaddy that you want the system to check whether the selected domain is properly connected to your account for ownership confirmation. After you click that option, the system will begin checking and verifying your ownership automatically. In many cases, this only takes a short moment. If everything is set up correctly, GoDaddy will confirm that your domain ownership has been verified. And that's it. The main thing is simply following the path correctly. Open your account, go to your profile, select My Products, choose Domain, open DNS, and then use the Verify Domain Ownership option under DNS Records. If the verification doesn't go through right away, double-check that you selected the correct domain and that you're managing it from the right account.